Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jacqueline Jax and I teach watercolor. If you are looking to take lessons, don't forget to check out my website at jacquelinejax.com for more amazing lessons. We've been doing a challenge on this YouTube channel, and the first one was this one where we made a watercolor flower 3 different ways. Second one was a layered rose, and today we're going to do something different. So I'm going to be looking at 2 colors, Rose of Ultramarine and Aqua Marine Mist. We want to look at these colors and how they may or may not play against each other. And the reason why is because I feel like it would be fun for you to learn about color mixing a little bit. So your job in this challenge to win some watercolor is 1, join the group page. I'll link it below. 2, pick out 2 colors. You can use these 2 if you like, or you can even purchase them to enter to win our monthly raffle through our affiliate links. Or you can pick 2 out of your own palette that you have never tried before and mix them together. And you don't have to get this on the first try. This could be multiple tries. What we're going to try and do is do a really cool layered flower like one of these here. So I am going to do something really simple for you like this one here and just kind of illustrate it, and then you can choose any flower pattern you like. You don't have to do the exact same one, and use 2 colors. Now for the green, I'm just going to go ahead and use the Aqua Marine green. I don't really need to add a different green, so I'm just keeping it with these 2 colors. Okay, let's get started. So the brush that I chose is just an angular shader brush. You can use anything you like. I am going to get the shader brush wet, and I'm going to grab the ultramarine on half of my shader brush. The other half, I'm going to pick up the aquamarine. Now let's see what we have. So for the first part of the flower, I'm going to start in the center and just go out like that, up like this, down, and just like that. It's really cool, right? Now I have to wash my brush out because I always forget what color is. So for the second part, I'm going to pick up more of my Rose of Ultramarine, and I'm just going to do a little squiggly line that connects in some spots with the first flower. So you see I've got some lights and darks, and I'm going to leave it that way. For the second part, we're going to do it again. So this time I'm going to put, again, the turquoise on the long side and the rose on the short side. So I'm putting the turquoise on the long side and the rose on the short side. Now we're going to start here, loop up, and finish it just like that. And that's just that easy, literally. If I wanted to add a little more of this beautiful aqua, I can do that down here at the bottom and let it bleed. I really love this light and dark, so I'm not going to really do much with it. Maybe just a little shading here. Your job is now to do something like this with an easy stroke and show me what you did. So for the stem, I'm just going to take the green color, since I have the same green color, and I am going to link it up with this side and bring it down just like that, and then take more of the green color, and I'm just going to do some very simple leaves just like this. So up and twist. Now I have to tell you, if you want to learn a lot more of these really cool like one stroke kind of designs, definitely look at my spontaneous watercolor class. It's a really, really fun class on how watercolor works and all of these really, really neat effects that you can get with your watercolor. Spontaneous watercolor, and there's like a lot of flowers in there, and there's a lot of like different kinds of things for you to learn. Okay, how cool is that? Easy, 1, 2, 3. We did it in 5 minutes. Gonna write my name on this and pop it up online so you guys can take this challenge. Don't forget, anytime you use our affiliate links, it really helps out the channel. Why? Because I donate 100% of the affiliate income to doing giveaways on our Facebook group page. That's right. 100% of it is going to go to that. I spend all my own money if the watercolors aren't donated for the reviews, and I am using 100% of the affiliate income just as giveaways for these challenges. Now, the winner of this challenge is going to win some watercolor. And what I typically do is I have a full store linked up on Amazon where you can just choose from items that we have available and that we put in the store. You just let me know when you win and I will send them to you. We also have Jackson's affiliate links, so if you're not in the US or you feel like it's really hard for you to get things wherever you are, you're still eligible to win because I have a Jackson's affiliate. So anytime you are shopping, I suggest you shop with our affiliate links because it costs nothing to you, but at the same time, it helps us with the giveaways. And if you, my dear, are a really cool member of our music or our art community, then we will really, really appreciate you participating in it and I'm so hoping that you win this challenge. Okay, so that's my beautiful flower. Go to it, make me a flower, let me know what colors you used. Once again, if you like these colors and you're impressed with them, this is actually Aqua Marine Mist and Rose of Ultramarine. When it dries, I'm going to write it on the back. Have a great day and happy painting.